Hello, my name is Andy. I'm grade 2. My school is Al-Azhar 35, Surabaya. Before I study in BEC Blue English course, my mom gave me an idea. I study in Cal. After that, I study in Cal, but I didn't understand what the teacher says because I cannot understand English. After that, I don't want to study English again. After that, my mom gave me an idea again for studying BEC Blue English course with Ian. After almost 2 years, I already speak English well. I speak with some people with English. After that, Sir Ian went me to the boarding school for meet his student, and then I speaking to his student well. Thank you. You want to speak English? Join BEC with Sir Ian. Cheers! Bye-bye!